This is a job that West Coast Sound Solutions did in San Mateo. The kitchen area inside an office building was having problems with reflections. West Coast Sound Solutions decided that beveled panels would be the best solution. We began by measuring the ceiling and calculating the most optimal placements for the panels. Once the placements were marked out, we installed the panels. We placed double-sided tape and glue on the panel, firmly pressing it against the ceiling, making sure it is attached securely. The process of installing the panels was repeated using a guide to measure out proper spacing. There were points on the ceiling where electrical wires or fixtures already existed, and we had to work around them. We worked around them by cutting and shaping the panels, as well as creating channels within them for wires to pass through. We finished up the entire ceiling and then continued to work on the wall that hangs down between the high ceiling and the low ceiling by installing more panels. We were careful to continue the same pattern so it is aesthetically pleasing as well. The room came together beautifully, as you can tell from these before and after pictures.
This is how the room sounds before we install the Acoustics flat foam tiles.
I'm not a cook.
Here we are in the room after installing 2x2 panels. It's look better and sound much better.
If you have any questions or concerns about your sound issue, we are here to help. Give us a call or check out our website at westcoastsoundsolutions.com.